Hello and welcome. I'm Ananya from Ananya's Nourish Me. Today I thought of bringing a small snippet on toning and tightening. I think toning and tightening is something we start struggling with after our mid-age, after 30, 30 plus, 35 plus. We all start struggling with cellulites and toning. So today I've got a very quick fix tip for all of you. So we need three basic things to arrange this anti-cellulite wrap, as I said. The first ingredient is very simple, Vick Vaporub. I think most of us have it in our house. If we don't, it's just a small pack of $20. You can just get it in any of the medical stores. So Vick Vaporub, one is Camphor and the other one is Cling film wrap. So what you basically need to do is you need to scoop out like a spoon of Vick Vaporub and one spoon of powdered camphor. Mix them together and apply on all the areas that you feel is highly, dense in cellulites and fat. So apply it around your belly, around your thighs. Many people have these loose skin under their arms. They can even do it there. After, nicely mixing in the Vick Vaporub and camphor, you have to rub it nicely over your skin. After that, you have to use this cling film wrap and wrap around whichever area, whether it's around your tummy, around your thighs, around your arms. You just have to wrap it really tight. So I'll just show you for an example so that you just get to know. It's very easy. You just need a few practices to get a hang of it. So I have kept this ready. So there's a little amount that I have already kept ready with camphor and Vick Vaporub. So suppose I have my upper arms, which is very loose, so I'm going to apply this little Vick Vaporub along with camphor, and then I'm gonna use this on my upper arms. So, and you need to wrap it really tight so that you can feel it, and this helps in sweating harder and faster while you work out. So this is to be done when you are working out, just before that. So this is how you wrap. So whichever area, and then you can just wear your dress on top of it. So workout dress can be worn over it, and then you can do your workout. So this is basically done before your workout, and this procedure is helping you to profusely sweat and tighten and tone after your workouts. But yes, what you have to really ensure is if you can get a lymphatic drainage massage done, a dry brushing done before this is going to really help. And that is it. This is a very simple tip. All of you can try it for at least a month or two, but trust me, this is not a shortcut. You have to follow your 75% of your organic plant-based diet with a very good hydration of 3.5 to 4 liters, a good night's sleep of 7 to 8 hours, and before your workout, a cling film wrap with Vick Vaporub and camphor is going to help you tighten, tone and get rid of your cellulite faster. Signing off, Ananya.